In 1964, a shy boy failed many important exams. His name was Jack Ma. He was born in Hangzhou, China, a quiet city near rivers and bridges. As a child, Jack Ma struggled with English, school grades, and confidence. Today, he is known around the world as the founder of Alibaba, one of the largest companies in history. Imagine failing again and again, while others move ahead. Imagine being told, "You are not good enough," many times. This was the early life of Jack Ma. In 1988, Jack Ma applied to university. He failed the entrance exam twice. In 1995, he applied for a job at a fast food restaurant. He was rejected. Out of 24 people, only Jack Ma did not get hired. But something inside him did not break. Instead, it grew stronger. Most people see Jack Ma as a billionaire businessman. Few people know how many failures came before his success. Few people know how close he was to giving up. This is not just a business story. This is a human story about persistence, learning, and belief. This story will teach you how failure can become your greatest teacher. The story begins in Hangzhou, China, during the 1960s and 1970s. China was changing slowly after many difficult years. Most families lived simple lives. Education was important, but opportunities were limited. English was not commonly spoken, and the world felt very far away. Jack Ma's full name is Ma Yun. He was born on September 10, 1964. His parents were traditional storytellers and musicians. They were not rich. They lived a modest life. As a child, Jack Ma was small and not very strong. He was curious, but he struggled in school. He often failed math tests. Teachers did not see him as special. Jack Ma was an ordinary student. There was nothing magical about his early years. He did not come from a powerful family. He had no special connections. Jack Ma grew up in a small home. Money was limited. His family worked hard just to live comfortably. At school, Jack Ma faced many challenges. He failed important exams more than once. Other students moved forward, but he stayed behind. He felt discouraged. Discouraged means feeling sad and without hope. But even when he felt discouraged, he did not stop trying. Socially, Jack Ma was friendly, but often ignored. He was not a top student. He was not a leader yet. One day, Jack Ma met foreign tourists near a hotel in Hangzhou. They spoke English. Jack Ma could not understand them. This moment changed him. He realized that English was a bridge to the world. Every morning at 5 a.m., Jack Ma rode his bicycle for 40 minutes. He went to the hotel to practice English with tourists. He did this for 9 years. He wanted to understand the world beyond China. He wanted more choices in life, but the obstacles were huge. He had no teacher. He had no money. He had no guarantee of success. Still, Jack Ma made a quiet decision. He would keep learning, no matter how long it took. After high school, Jack Ma wanted to go to university. He believed education could change his future. He took the college entrance exam. He failed. He studied again. He took the exam a second time. He failed again. Many people would stop here. Jack Ma felt ashamed. He felt afraid. But he tried one more time. On the third attempt, he passed barely. He entered Hangzhou Teachers Institute in 1988. Jack Ma felt relief, but also pressure. He knew he was behind others. He worked harder than before. After graduation, he looked for a job. He applied to more than 30 places. He was rejected every time. He applied to KFC. 23 people were accepted. Jack Ma was the only one rejected. He felt pain, but he learned something important. Failure was not the end. Transition. But Jack Ma didn't give up. Instead, he decided to keep learning and improving. Jack Ma became an English teacher. His salary was very low, but teaching helped him grow. Every day, Jack Ma practiced speaking clearly. He learned how to explain ideas simply. He learned how to connect with people. He read English books. He listened carefully to foreign speakers. He made mistakes and corrected them.